graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. As we gather today to celebrate our moving up from kindergarten, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to our wonderful teachers. Thank you for your patience, guidance, and endless encouragement. You've not only taught us letters and numbers, but also kindness, curiosity, and the joy of learning. To all the parents, guardians, and families, thank you for entrusting us with your precious little ones. Your support, love, and devotion have been invaluable in shaping us into the young individuals we are today. Flying kisses to all parents. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations, we did it! We journeyed together, laughed together, and learned together. As we embark on a new chapter of our lives, let's carry with us the lessons we've learned, the friendships we've made, and the memories we've cherished. Today marks the end of one wonderful chapter and the beginning of another exciting adventure. Let's embrace it with open hearts, open minds, and a whole lot of enthusiasm. Lastly, the Almighty God, who has always been our protector, our great provider. Without Him, we can do nothing. Thank you once again to everyone who has been a part of our kindergarten experience. Here's to beginnings, endless possibilities, the future filled with success and happiness. With heartfelt gratitude, Sophia Gwen Javier.